Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you tasty, delicious fish curry. It's very easy to make and the fish I'm going to use is called Dover sole fish. This is the fresh wild Dover sole fish. I'm going to cut it into small pieces and then I'm going to wash it with cold water. Ginger, garlic, green chili paste, 2 teaspoons, 1 onion, 1 cup water, 1 cup tomato sauce. Anardana I'm going to use, that's a homemade anardana, which is pomegranate seed, pomegranate powder. For our tadka, 2 tablespoons olive oil, anardana, cumin seed, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala, chili flakes, salt 1 teaspoon each, half teaspoon ajwain, carom seed. And let's start making our delicious fish curry. Get a karahi or wok and I'm going to start gas and we're going to keep gas on high or bring olive oil. As the oil start to heat up, I'll bring cumin seed, jeera, carom seed, ajwain, and we're going to cook like 10 seconds. This is all we need. Ginger, garlic and green chili paste. I'm going to use my screen splatter and we're going to cook it like 20 seconds. We just want our garlicky flavor to go away. The screen splatter is really good. It helps our counters, they don't get messy, and also the camera screen, they stay clean. Now I'm going to bring the onion. Mix it well. And we're going to cook our onion until they get nicely transparent. Onions are nicely translucent, they are nicely cooked. And I'm going to bring all the spices. Chili flakes, garam masala, cumin powder, coriander powder, anardana powder, salt. Mix it well. We're going to cook our spices for half minute along with our tadka. Cooking our spices for half minute, I'll bring tomato sauce. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, bring the gas to medium. Cover with the lid and we're going to cook for 2 minutes. On medium gas, cooking our tadka for 2 minutes. Mix it well. 1 cup water I'm going to use in the same cup. And mix it well. And bring our gas on high. Once it's nicely combined, we're going to cover with the lid and we're going to bring the water to boil. Our tadka is started to boil. Mix it. I'll bring fish. This is very delicate fish and it does not take that long. It's very thin slices. Within 10 minutes, this fish will be well cooked. Once it's nicely combined with the tadka, cover with the lid and bring the gas to medium and we're going to cook for 5 minutes. On medium gas, cooking for 5 minutes, I'm going to open the lid. With the soft hand, we're going to mix it. As you can see, the fish is already cooked. This is very soft fish. This is good fish for frying, but for curry, if you're cooking like me, then this is very delicious. Just very soft hand, delicately, just move around. It's already cooked. Now I'm going to bring kasuri methi. 1 tablespoon kasuri methi, I'm going to rub it on my hand, just make sure there is no big strands. And we're going to sprinkle all over. And cover with the lid again and we're going to cook for 5 minutes on medium gas. Exactly 10 minutes. Another 5 minutes cooking after fenugreek leaves, the kasuri methi we added. Mix it very gently. Our fish curry is all ready and I'm going to turn off the gas. I have my serving karahi ready and I'm going to dish out. Very delicious fish, but very soft, very delicate fish. All the pieces, the way we cut, they're still as is. Look at delicious fish curry. Let me share with you. Our delicious, tasty fish curry is all ready. You always can serve with roti, chapati, fulka, naan, paratha, even tortilla. And best of all with rice pulao. If you like this dish, like always, like, share and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.